In the modern workplace, skills are evolving faster than traditional training can keep up. Employees must continuously learn new tools, adapt to shifting roles, and stay relevant in a rapidly changing economy. This is where AI-powered training and upskilling becomes a crucial advantage. The question many organizations are now asking is, can AI transform employee training and upskilling? The answer is yes, and the shift is already happening. AI learning systems go beyond one-size-fits-all training modules. They provide personalized learning, tailoring lessons to each employee's pace, style, and current skill level. Instead of guessing which areas someone needs to improve, AI assesses real performance data and identifies exact skill gaps. This means workers learn what they actually need, no wasted time, no irrelevant lessons. So how does AI help workers learn new digital skills faster? AI can break complex skills into step-by-step progressions and provide real-time hints or reminders. It can also simulate real workplace scenarios so employees practice skills in a safe and supportive environment before applying them on the job. These systems can also adapt automatically. If an employee struggles, the lesson slows down and provides extra guidance. If they excel, the system moves them ahead to more challenging material. That kind of responsiveness simply isn't possible in standard classroom training. For employers, AI training significantly reduces cost and downtime. Instead of pulling entire teams away from work for scheduled workshops, training becomes continuous, flexible, and integrated directly into work tasks. However, AI will not replace human trainers entirely. People still learn best when mentorship, coaching, and emotional support are present. The ideal approach combines AI for efficiency and personalization with human leaders for guidance and motivation. Employees benefit most when they view AI not as an evaluator, but as a personal growth partner, a system designed to help them become more capable, confident, and future-ready. In short, AI is not just changing how we work, it is changing how we learn to work better. The workplace is entering a new era, one where AI is no longer just a tool, but a teammate. As companies adopt intelligent agents that can plan, analyze, answer questions, write reports, and even make decisions, workers are beginning to ask, how will humans and AI coworkers work together? Instead of replacing all jobs, AI is increasingly being integrated as a collaborative partner. Think of AI coworkers as highly skilled assistants that handle repetitive tasks, crunch large datasets, summarize research, draft documentation, and support decision-making. This allows human employees to focus on strategy, creativity, empathy, and judgment, areas where human capabilities remain unmatched. But this also creates a new challenge. What skills are needed to work alongside AI? Employees will need to develop competencies in prompt engineering, workflow coordination, quality oversight, and critical thinking. Instead of doing all tasks themselves, workers will need to learn how to delegate properly to AI, verify the outcomes, and integrate results into larger projects. Managers will also have to adapt. How does leadership work when teams include AI? Management will shift from supervising task execution to overseeing systems performance, ethical use, and ensuring AI outputs align with organizational goals. Leaders will need to become skilled in human-AI workflow design and cross-functional collaboration. Some fear AI coworkers may increase monitoring or raise productivity expectations. That's possible, but when implemented intentionally, AI can actually improve teamwork. For example, AI can help mediate communication, clarify instructions, detect inconsistencies, and provide neutral feedback on group performance. The biggest cultural shift will be mindset. Employees who view AI as a competitor often feel threatened, but those who see AI as a power multiplier quickly gain advantage. The key to staying valuable in an AI workplace is learning to orchestrate intelligent systems, not compete with them. The future is not human or machine, it is human plus machine, working smarter together. AI is frequently marketed as a tool that will save time, automate repetitive tasks, and improve efficiency. Yet many workers are discovering something unexpected. Instead of reducing workloads, AI is often pushing people to work harder, faster, and under tighter scrutiny. This is known as the productivity paradox. So, will AI make us more productive or increase workload? The answer is both. AI tools streamline tasks like scheduling, research, data entry, and reporting. However, the time saved doesn't always translate into more rest or reduced labor. Instead, companies often reinvest the recovered time into additional responsibilities, raising expectations for output. Workers ask, why does AI sometimes create more work for employees? Because efficiency gains often become performance baselines. Once AI speeds up a task, employers may expect that pace permanently. This can lead to unrealistic performance expectations and constant pressure to keep up. Another concern is monitoring. How does AI workplace monitoring affect stress? AI-driven analytics can track keystrokes, time spent in apps, response rates, meeting participation, and even tone of communication. While marketed as productivity optimization, these tools can create a culture of surveillance, increase anxiety, and reducing creativity. In some environments, AI automation leads to longer work hours because the boundary between done for the day and more you could optimize disappears. Instead of reducing burnout, AI can make people feel like they should always be improving. But the situation is not hopeless. Companies can avoid the productivity paradox by prioritizing employee well-being, not just output metrics, setting clear limits on monitoring, ensuring time saved leads to reduced workload, not increased performance targets, using AI to augment human expertise, not replace autonomy. AI should support human productivity, not pressure workers to match machine speed. If organizations adopt AI with intention, it can unlock meaningful innovation and healthier workflows, rather than becoming another engine of burnout.